All right, let's get started on Lab 4. So I have gone to the link, which is supplied with the lab PDF that I have given you, and I've downloaded this folder right here. Inside, it has all of the data that we've been playing with so far. So here's our aspect TIFF data set, here's our elevation data set. So we have a GeoTIFF file for each of the 9 raster data sets that we've been playing with, and they are combined together down here in this stack.virtual raster stack. So this is how we're going to open the data up. It also has the gorillas shapefile, and it also has the no gorillas were found here shapefile. Okay. It also has right here the R script that we're going to use to create the decision tree. So I'm going to open that up. Looks like I have that open several times here. So I'll open that up. Looks like that's as big as I'm going to get the script, but let me show you what we have here. So here we're clearing everything off of our workspace so that I'm not being bothered by some previous analysis. Here I'm accessing the raster and the rpart libraries. If you haven't installed the rpart library yet, you need to do install packages rpart and run this line. I've already installed that, so I don't need to, but here's where I'm accessing that. The file directory path name here is not, this is where it is stored on my computer. So what you're going to want to do, remember on a Windows, you go to File and change directory. I'm going to go to Miscellaneous and change working directory and go to my desktop and my data folder and hit open. Okay, so to make sure that I've got that right, if I come over here and type getwd, forget working directory, and then an open and a close parentheses, it will tell me right here that that's where I'm supposed to be. That's where it's stored at, right? So now that I've done that, I can come in here and remove all of this. And I can open the virtual stack. So I'll run those lines and make sure that works. Okay. This line 8 right here, I'm just assigning names to that raster stack so that they're easier to identify later. And right here on line 9, I am establishing that negative 9,999 is my no data value, which will be useful later. Here I'm using the shapefile command to open my gorillas data set. And again, now that I have set my working directory, I can clear this off. And my no gorillas data set, I can do the same thing. And now all of my data are open. To make sure that they're open, I'm just going to plot them. So on that top line there, I'm just plotting the elevation portion of the raster data set, and then I'm adding the gorillas as a black plus sign and the locations where no gorillas have been found as a red plus sign. So everything has opened up correctly. My data must be right.